Yes, now we can start again, and that is metal polish. How to make your metal polish? Make your own metal polish with salt, vinegar and flour. A mixture of salt, white vinegar and flour will get job done too. The trick is that the salt works as a mild abrasive and the vinegar is acidic enough to clean off the tarnish and restore your brass fixtures to their former glory. Blend the ingredients, pour the mix over the fixtures and let them sit overnight. Then just wash off the mixture and enjoy the results. You can see how to do it. So what is the best metal polish? So many best metal polishes are there. Mother's Mag and aluminum polish, semi-chrome all metal polish tube is there, Blue Magic metal polish cream is there. Likewise, so many are available in the market. What is the use of metal polish? Formulated to tackle heavily tarnished metals, metal polish restores surfaces to their original finish and protects them with a layer of wax suitable for brass, copper, stainless steel, chrome, aluminum and unlacquered aluminum. How do you make polished steel? You can polish the surface of stainless steel using water, non-toxic cleaners like vinegar or olive oil or specialized steel cleaner. Method 2 of 3. Polishing with olive oil. Pour olive oil onto a soft cloth. Coat the stainless steel in olive oil and apply firm, steady pressure to the surface in a circular motion. Then the polish will be done. It is the polishing of steel. Steel. Then what is Autosol metal? Autosol metal polish. Autosol metal polish has been the world market leader in metal polishing since 1929. The paste formula in a 75 ml tube offers 10x polishing power of a liquid equivalent. Autosol metal polish removes common problems such as surface rust, discoloration, transing, staining and oxidation with ease. How do you make metal shiny? How do you make metal shiny? How to make steel shiny? Soak a clean within white vinegar if your steel has yellow or orange heat stains on it. What I am doing is I am also preparing the notes to explain you, and as well as you can see the link of my web page also regarding metal polish. In my description I will give. In YouTube description you can see the web link also. While clicking on the link directly you can go to the web page also. Even though if one YouTube is there, means it is easy to hear and easy to understand instead of reading a web page. So that I am preparing this. That is the information I want to provide to you. Then we can go into the subject. How do you make metal shiny? Rub the cloth over the heat stains until they are gone. With white vinegar, if your steel has yellow or orange heat stains on it, then add just enough water to 5 tablespoons. Rub the paste over the steel until the small scratches are gone and the steel look shiny. Rinse the steel with clear water. How do you clean and shine metal? All metals, to remove rust from the metals, soak the items in a non-diluted white vinegar. To clean any metal, making it shine, making a paste of white vinegar and cream of tartar. Rub the paste on the metal and let it dry on the surface. Once dry, wash the paste off and dry the metal with a soft cloth. Metal polish, waxes chrome @chrome, that is registered anamata. So chrome and metal polish, 350 grams of for chrome, copper, brass, bronze, gold, nickel and stainless steel. Waxes, waxes registered that number. All metal cleaners, polisher and protectant removes oxidation and discoloration. How do you polish old metal? Metal cleaners and polishes. Aluminium, using a soft cloth, clean with a solution of cream of tartar and water. Brass or bronze, polish with a soft cloth dipped in lemon and baking soda solution or vinegar. Regarding brass and bronze, I am saying, polish with a soft cloth dipped in lemon and baking soda solution or vinegar and salt solution. Another method is to apply a dab of ketchup on a soft cloth and rub over tarnished spots. How do you make metal polish? An example of polish mixtures of metals used around the home is equal parts of salt, plain flour and white vinegar mixed into a paste, then spread over an item and left to dry for 2 hours. Lemon juice is a good substance for the white vinegar, while corn starch or baking soda can replace the flour. Does vinegar eat aluminium? Vinegar does contain acetic acid, so in theory, yes. Vinegar can dissolve aluminium if used in large amounts or for over extended periods of time. Vinegar will also eat and dissolve aluminium foil, but if you are using a minimum extent, it will not harm to the aluminium. But certain level, up to the dust level, if you are using vinegar, it will never harm to the aluminium. But if you are using so much and so hardly and so many times, means it will eat aluminium. What is best cleaner for aluminium? For larger items, mix a solution of 1 part water to 1 part vinegar. Wipe it on the item with a soft cloth and buff till shiny. Rinse and dry. You can also use this solution to clean the outside of an aluminium pan. This is the information I want to provide you regarding metal polish. In this also, I am saying that if you want to be successful in this metal polishing, you should have a practical experience also. So get a good training in metal polish manufacturing unit from 1 to 6 months. Then it will be comfortable to you to start independently with confidence. And as well as I am saying that while joining in a new unit also, in metal polishing unit also, you should say sincerely about your aim and things also. Then they will suppose if they are positive, you can complete your training in 3 months also. But first you should say sincerely, I want to make my own polishing unit in my native place or something in far distance to the area you say. Then if you get the opportunity, then you can learn everything. Otherwise, if you are joining secretly like a worker or staff or something, means staff will give only clerical work. In one type of work only you will do. You cannot learn anything. And suppose if you are joined as a worker, means they will give one type of work only in one place. You cannot learn all things. So it is very careful and convince them and try to get the opportunity in metal polish manufacturing unit for getting a good training also, to get the overall subject and the information. Then you will be successful. And as well as I will say that once manufacturing unit is get legal licenses and trade licenses also. And another thing also I will say, in any type of business product, you should have a minimum scale, that is 70% will be the working cost and 30% will be your margin. Without margin, how you can work and how you can run the business? So 70% will be the working cost and 30% will be the margin. If you maintain such a scale in a standard way, definitely you will be successful. And as well as I am saying that don't compromise regarding the quality. quality, you don't compromise regarding the quality. Customer will forget for the time being the cost, but quality nobody will forget. So try to give always absolute quality. If the cost may be increased also, but quality will, don't compromise regarding the quality. If you maintain such moral ethics, then you will be successful in the long run in the business also. Then you can run in the long run life also. And another fear also you will have. Suppose after 5 years or 6 years, if I get any other opportunity or something, what I have to do? Then delivery submission to third party subject is there. You can you can contact the lawyer and he will give the delivery submission to third party. Then you can assess the things, what is the land cost and what is the machinery cost of you, and turnover cost, and trade licenses how you have taken, and all the things will come into the matter, and then you will get very good goodwill also from third party. So it is more than your land cost and turnover and raw materials and everything. So you will never lose once if you start an organization or a manufacturing unit, but don't close the manufacturing unit at any time. Give it to third party, but don't close it, because workers and staff and suppliers will depend on you. So you should not spoil their opportunities. So that only delivery submission to third party is a very good concept. Then you follow that, you will get very good goodwill also for your business. Then you will be successful in the long run, and you will also be feel happy. That is the information I want to provide to you. May God bless you, and wishing you all the best.